Hello everyone, I'm Carla, and today I'll show you how Yinson Production is using Databricks to tackle one of the biggest challenges in the FPSO industry. Our team from Yinson Production consists of Shamir, Faiz, Kagan, and myself. An FPSO, which stands for Floating Production, Storage, and Offloading, is essentially an engineering city at sea, a large vessel that processes hydrocarbons directly above an offshore field. One of Yinson's FPSO Jack, supplies over 70% of Ghana's gas consumption. So uptime isn't just an internal KPI. It's keeping the lights on for a country. Running these operations globally with 11 assets across Southeast Asia, South America, and South Africa generate huge amounts of data. A single engineering question can span multiple platforms, and the person with the answer is often in a different time zone. That's the challenge we set out to solve. We started with the hardest problem, PNIDs, the engineering drawings that define every pipe, valve, and instrument on board. When an engineer needs to verify a tag, they're manually searching through many PDFs to find what they need. We solved this with Databricks Knowledge Assistant. We index the PNID corpus into the Knowledge Assistant. The engineer types a plain language question, and within seconds, they get an answer with citations pointing directly back to the source drawing. Our second challenge was structured data. Sensor readings, production metrics, maintenance logs, all sitting in governed delta tables. Getting an answer traditionally means writing SQL or raising a ticket to an analyst. Neither is fast enough for an operational environment. We solved this with Genie Spaces built on our Unity catalog. We connected Genie directly to our governed tables. The engineer asks in plain English, and Genie handles the natural language to SQL translation natively. No analyst in the loop. This is the full picture. Data flows into a secure Databricks workspace, accessible only through a VM. DeltaShare moves the governed data into our application workspace, where Knowledge Assistants and Genie Spaces fit into a single Databricks app that acts as the supervisor, orchestrator, and user interface all in one. That Databricks app, which we named the Yinson Orchestrator, is what our engineers interact with. Behind the scenes, Claude Sonnet 4.6 acts as the router. It reads what each sub-agent does, decides which one to call, and fires it. If the question touches both operational data and engineering docs, it calls both. The whole thing streams live. You can watch the routing decision happen, see which agents get called, and follow the synthesis in real time. And when you're done, you can export the investigation or generate a synthesized PDF report. What you've seen today is just the start. New data sources, new agents, they all plug into the same orchestrator. No rework, no rebuilding. Every question answered faster means safer operations, less downtime, and greater cost savings. We are not just building a tool. We are building the way FPSOs will work in the future. Thank you.